Why do you need insurance? Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos. Insurance is a way of managing risks. When you buy insurance, you transfer the cost of a potential loss to the insurance company in exchange for a fee, known as the premium. Insurance companies invest the funds securely so it can grow and pay out when there's a claim. Insurance helps you own a home because mortgage lenders need to know your home is protected. It covers you for repairs and replacement of any damage that's covered in your policy. It provides protection against theft, damage from perils like fire and water, and financial responsibility that could result from a visitor or guest being accidentally injured on your property. Drive vehicles because few people could afford the repairs, healthcare costs and legal expenses associated with collisions and injuries without coverage. Auto insurance is also a legal requirement. Maintain your current standard of living if you become disabled or have a critical illness. It covers your day-to-day costs and larger expenses like your mortgage while you focus on your health and recovery. Cover healthcare costs like prescription drugs, dental care, vision care and other health-related items. Provide for your family in the event of a death. There are life insurance options for short and long-term needs that protect your family's home, mortgage, lifestyle and the cost of post-secondary education for children. Run a small business or family farm by managing the risks of ownership. Get owner, business and employee coverage and provide group benefits and retirement plans for employees. Take vacations without worrying about flight cancellations or emergency medical expenses abroad. Take the time to review your policies and contact one of our helpful financial advisors to answer your questions or get advice. A little knowledge can make a big difference when it comes to buying the right insurance to help protect what matters most for you and your family. Anyway, here is a guide to understanding your policy documents. Many people receive their insurance policies and wonder what they really need to know. Here's a quick rundown of key terms and phrases included in your documents. The cooperator's policies are easy to understand, but the insurance industry does use language specific to the business. Your certificate of insurance may contain some or all of the following details. Policy number: you'll need this whenever you make a change to your policy or report a claim. Effective and expiry date: these dates outline when your coverage is in place, when it starts, and when it ends. Underwritten by: another way of saying insurer or insurance company. Insured: your name. The contract of insurance is between you and the insurance company. Additional: named insured, the name of a co-owner of a vehicle or property. They have the same rights as you. Legal liability: you'll usually see a coverage limit of $1 million or $2 million. It provides coverage for amounts you're legally responsible for if you unintentionally cause bodily injury or property damage to others. Premium: the cost of your insurance policy. Endorsement, also sometimes called a rider. An endorsement is an addition or change to an insurance policy. Endorsements can add, delete, exclude, or make other changes to the coverage in the base contract. For example, we offer endorsements to add coverage for flood and earthquakes. Insured item: the thing that's covered by an insurance policy. It could be your car, your home, your personal property, the contents of your home, or a specific thing like a travel trailer or boat. Scheduled personal articles: specific insured items you've told us about that are insured for a higher limit than the base policy contains, usually because they're particularly valuable, like jewelry or electronic equipment or fine arts. Coverage for scheduled personal articles goes beyond standard coverage in a homeowner's policy. Your policy documents are available online. One of the easiest ways to review and keep your policy documents organized is in your personal online services account. There, you'll find all your active policies with the cooperators. You can even sign up for paperless delivery and cut down on clutter. Sign up for online services today. For more information, visit our glossary or talk to your local financial advisor. Extreme weather and making claims: what you can do. Extreme weather is more frequent than ever before in Canada. As a result, more and more weather events have a high number of claims reported. If we're unable to respond to your claim immediately, take steps to minimize property damage and speed up repairs. If it's an emergency, you don't need to speak with us first. Contact a reputable contractor with liability insurance and have the emergency repairs taken care of. Take pictures of the damage before and after the repairs and let us know as soon as you can. If it's not an emergency, you can still get started before connecting with our claims department. Take photos of the damage, get a quote for the repairs, and then contact our claims department who will advise on next steps. What you can expect from us during a high-volume claims event.